Guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to take you on a tour of my gift wrapping station that I have. This is literally in a basement storage room in my house. You can see from the cement walls and the cement floor. It's just an area that I converted. It used to be kind of where I did my crafting actually, and I just decided that I needed a bigger and brighter area to do my crafting in, so this turned into my wrapping station because all of this was already here. So it's basically just some 2x4s that make up the stand, and then the top is just a piece of shelving. It's about, I would say, 24 to 30 inches wide. It could be a little bit longer to do the wrapping, but it works out just fine. So you can see that the back is made up of a piece of pegboard and then a piece of chalkboard. And those were there when I did my crafting, and I, organized like my scissors and washi tape and things on the pegboard, and now it holds the wrapping goodies. The chalkboard, I just like to write little fun things on there, so now it says Merry and Bright, and it has some ornaments dangling from it. You can see from the table that it gets a lot of use. My kids paint on it. I paint on it, I crafted on it. I mean, it's nothing fancy at all, but I love having a designated space that I can keep out year round, not just for Christmas, that I can come down and do gift wrapping at. And we have the room, so why not utilize it, right? Okay, so on this side here, I just have some boxes, a tin. I just picked these up from Dollar Tree. I really liked the size of them. Those actually house some ornaments that I'm giving to my siblings that were my mom's, that she used on her tree when she was alive. I inherited them from my dad and decided to share them with everybody. So that's in the boxes. The tin is empty. These are just some empty boxes that I saved because I thought they would be a good size to wrap smaller gifts in. I picked up this little 3-pack of jewelry boxes from the Dollar Tree. My daughter is getting some things from Etsy that I thought would be perfect to put in those, so I picked those up tonight. I just have some little candy that looks cute. I like to incorporate that into the wrapping. Maybe tape it on the front or tuck it in with a little bow. I think that's always fun. So here on the pegboards, or the little pegs, you can see that I have some washi tape there on one of the pegs. I've got some ribbon on another one of the pegs. And then I just have like some Dollar Tree bows just kind of tucked on this one. So there's some green ones, some red ones, some gold and natural ones. These are more of the fancy bows that I keep here, not just like the multi-pack that you get from the store. I keep those in a different spot. But I just tuck some tape underneath, a little cup that's got some pens in that I can fill up my gift tags with, the scissors hanging here. I used some of the really long pegs to hold the wrapping paper, and I've got mostly Christmas in here now. I have a few just regular ones that are for everyday gift wrapping for birthdays and things in the back here, but I have one shelf that holds the real long bow or long rolls, and then 2 shelves that hold the shorter rolls. So that just helps keep them in place, and then when I need them, I just take them down and cut off what I need. I've got a little Charlie Brown ornament hanging there just because I love him. Here I just have some bags on a hook. So if I need a gift bag, they're all organized here by size, and I can just take out what I need. Moving on, here's just the chalkboard. And then here I've got some more gift boxes. These are just small little ones that came from the Dollar Tree, a tin, some house-shaped boxes. So I'll use those this Christmas. Over here, this is where I keep let me see if I can get this off. Underneath here is just the regular assorted bows that everybody has at Christmas time. I have quite a few blue in there because I don't usually use blue. I'll have to use those up maybe this year. And then in the top here, this could be replenished a little bit, but I've just got some things that I can use to decorate packages with. I like to use these from Dollar Tree, these longer ones, and make it into a wreath shape and, put those on top of packages with a bow. Just got some Dollar Tree bows there, some gift card holders, and quite an assortment of tags here. Tucked back here, you'll find some of the collapsible boxes. There's just some square ones here, and then a variety of shirt boxes, and then the larger size here. Over here, yep, there's the paint. You can tell it's a storage room. Over here in this container, this is just going to be where I keep some more gift tags. I'll turn it around here for you. I've got a Christmas bag here. I've got some cookie boxes here that I never used. These were from last year. A lot of tissue paper just tucked in here. You know, just some other things that I can wrap with. This is just a little burlap bag. I keep some assorted Christmas cards in here, so if I want to write a card out with my gift, I can just grab from there. So this works out really well for me, guys. Like I said, I like to have the room where I can spread out and do the gift wrapping. I like to have it organized, and I just like how it looks visually too. So this is where the magic's going to happen this year. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.